Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Android Studio on Windows using Chocolatey step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have Windows operating system 10 or later. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Chocolatey website. Once there, locate the installation instructions for Windows. Open your command prompt with administrative privileges. To do this, search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. You will see a command line window open. Now, copy the installation command provided on the Chocolatey website. Paste this command into your command prompt and hit Enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once Chocolatey is installed, you'll need to verify it. Type Chocolatey in the command prompt and press Enter. If you see the version number, Chocolatey is successfully installed. Now let's proceed to install Android Studio. In the same command prompt, type Choco install Android Studio and press Enter. Chocolatey will start downloading and installing Android Studio along with its dependencies. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now close the command prompt. To launch Android Studio, open the Start menu and search for Android Studio. Click on it to start the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to start developing Android apps. Now you have successfully installed Android Studio on Windows using Chocolatey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.